Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Locate the 12-volt battery, which is typically in the trunk. Gather your jumper cables and consider wearing protective gloves for safety. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red, positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Lincoln MKZ Hybrid's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Always ensure these connections are firm and clean. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Take one black negative jumper cable and attach it to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other end of the black cable, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Lincoln MKZ Hybrid's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground connection. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. Then, try to start your Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. Black negative first, then red positive. Drive your hybrid for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to fully recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.